Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Snapchat profile picture. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You are no longer able to add an actual profile photo in Snapchat, but I will show you how to change your Bitmoji selfie picture and how to edit your Bitmoji to change how it looks. The first thing to do is open up the Snapchat app and then tap on your Bitmoji or user icon in the top left corner to get to your profile page. Now, if you tap on your current Bitmoji at the top of the page, you will see that there is no option to change it here. To do so, you need to scroll down your profile page a bit, and under the Bitmoji heading, tap on Select Selfie. Here you have lots of different selfie options for your Bitmoji. You can change the expression, add various different masks, as well as plenty of other effects. Choose the selfie that you would like and then tap Done at the bottom of the page. Your Bitmoji selfie will now be changed to whatever you chose. If you want to change more than just the expression of your Bitmoji, say if you would like to change the hairstyle or makeup, for example, then you need to scroll down your profile page again, and under the Bitmoji heading you need to tap on Edit your Bitmoji. Here you can change everything and anything you would like to about your Bitmoji, such as hair color, hairstyle, eye color, makeup, clothing, etc. When you have changed what you would like to, tap Save in the top right corner. Your Bitmoji image will now change to however you edited it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.